Well, this is going to be a little bit of a surprise to many of you, but 2027 is only like 13 months away. And if you're listening to this in January, it's less than a year. Well, what that means here at Key to Success is we are getting started with all of our updates to the 2027 planner. If you haven't already seen, we are going to be introducing 3 new color palettes. That is going to be absolutely awesome, and we're giving you the opportunity to help us choose in the next 30 days what those color palettes are. But I want to show you this. Over the last year and a half, as I continue to coach and mentor individuals and teams, there are so many times that I get on chats with each and every one of you, and I know I can't help everyone to the same level that I help the people that I individually coach. But I wanted to give you the opportunity to get involved with our planning tools at a deeper level and have an assistant right alongside you, someone that thinks like me, someone that acts like me, someone that knows the intentions that and the capabilities that you can accomplish. Well, we are introducing in 2027 our Key to Success GBT. This is an AI assistant that has taken all the information, all the coaching, all the training across all of our applications that we support in the planning system to give you the opportunity to be able to ask it questions and get the most out of your Key to Success planner. This is going to be designed for everyone, no matter what walk of life you are in. And it's going to be provided as part of our business and executive and complete editions, where all the tools that help you get yourself organized are present. So I'm going to show you a little preview of how this works so you can see first and foremost for yourself. And before I go, yes, it's coming out in 2027, but once you order your 2027 planner, you will get access to the beta version today so that you can start using it in 2026, and you can help us provide feedback and make it great. But there's so much that's already there, it's going to help you. So let me show you. So I have my planner, my GPT, my planner assistant up. And the first thing I'm going to do is I can ask it questions. Like, for example, what is the daily or the Key to Success Key 3? Put that in there, and it's going to go ahead and it's going to not only answer my question, but it's going to go ahead and give me all the resources that we've previously provided to you so that you can learn how to use the Daily Key 3 right there so that you guys can maximize yourself. Well, maybe I have another question. Maybe I want to go ahead and say, go back to my chat, and this time I'm going to ask it, right here. How do I want to synchronize the planner with the calendar? That's a great question so many ask. And again, these questions are all built in from our learning base so that you can get answers on how to use this. And as we upload new videos and provide new training information, this will continue to expand. But I want to get into the actual personalization where this is really cool. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload an image. This image here is a screenshot of my weekly plan. So you can see that I've already built this out for the week, but I'm going to go ahead and put this in here. I'm going to open it and I'm going to add it. I'm going to say Key to Success Assistant, help me plan my week based on the priorities that I have outlined. So in this case, what I'm doing is I'm providing them that screenshot of the planner as it's currently built, and I'm going ahead and I'm uploading that image, a screenshot to it, and it's going to go through the knowledge base and say, okay, let's take a look at what your weekly plan looks like. Let's go ahead and talk about things that you've accomplished, what your unfinished business was, and then it's going to break it down into the different quarantines to help you organize. But even more so than that, it's going to start to ask you individual questions so that you can help yourself get ready for the week to come. Well, for example, here it's giving you a daily Key 3 for the first part of the week, and we can continue to expand on that with Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on. And this is just one example of how you can use this to help you schedule your week. Now I'm going to jump back and go ahead. I'm going to ask it a bigger question. You know, one thing in the business planner that comes out is the professional builder. And I'm going to go ahead and say, help me through my professional builder with a plan for the first quarter of 2026. And here you can see it's starting to help me build that strategic plan. Now, this goes beyond just helping you organize yourself and go through all the different planning and training opportunities we have. We even embedded application support. So if you need help with how a tool works or how to link a page, that's going to be all built in this system as well. And we're going to continue to build on this. I am super excited for this for a lot of reasons. I really want you guys to get the benefits of all the coaching programs that we have and be able to utilize those on a personal basis. So if you haven't already, go ahead, get online, look at the 2027 planner, see what's new, select if you want the business, executive, or complete edition. Go ahead and order it at the pre-sale prices that are available today. And if this is early in 2026, there's still plenty of discounts for you to take advantage of. But go ahead, get signed up for 2027. If you haven't even purchased the 2026 planner, go ahead and choose a 2026 planner and then choose the 2027 bundle on the individual product page. Upon doing so, you'll get an email to enroll in this program and you can get started today in 2026. With that being said, this is Brandon. This is a quick little video. I don't think this will make it to the masses. Very low end, real quick, because we want to get the information to you. With that being said, Lord willing, I hope you guys all have a great Christmas. Keep Christ in it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.